This is iTechEverything, showing you how to install a hard drive in the Mac Pro. First off, what will you need? Of course you'll need the hard drive that you'll be installing in your Mac Pro, and you also need a Phillips screwdriver. And it doesn't really have to be a big screwdriver, it just needs to be like a smallish sort of one. And yeah, so you need a small Phillips screwdriver and the hard drive you're going to be installing in your Mac Pro. So to kick it off, we'll take off the door. You guys know how to do this with Mac Pro. You just lift up the lever on the side and pull off the door very easily. We'll set the door to the side. And my main hard drive is right there. And so we're going to be taking out this bracket. You'll just hold onto the Mac Pro and give it a pull. And the bracket comes out. And this is what you'll be mounting your hard drive to. So let's mount the hard drive. We'll get the bracket that we just took out of the Mac Pro. We'll get our hard disk drive. And what you want to do basically is line up these screws with these holes. That's what she said. So I'm just lining up all the screws with the holes ready to mount in the hard drive. So I think that's sitting just about right. Let's go ahead and screw them in. So let's get screwing. I'll do the top one first. And that one's in. Next one. Going down. And you don't really need to apply much force. It's quite a simple little procedure. And turn it around. Do this one. So that one's done. And now the top left, and we should be set to go and have this nice and mounted, guys. Bam! We have one mounted drive. So as you can see, it's all screwed in and ready to be placed inside the Mac Pro. So let's go ahead and slide the hard drive into the Mac Pro. It's a very simple procedure. Basically, you just line it up, you push in, and hear a click. So that is in place. Now let's put the door back on. So we just line up our door till it sits nicely. Give the top a push and click the lever back in. So there you go, guys. That is how to install a hard drive in the Mac Pro. So when you boot up your Mac, what you want to do is go into Disk Utility and format this hard drive into Mac OS X Extended Journaled, just in case you guys were wondering, because most hard drives come from the factory formatted for Windows. So anyway, YouTube, it's been iTechEverything with a Mac Pro hard drive installation. If you'd like to see any more of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as you'll get updates on all the new videos. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/iTechEverything. And the question of this video is, what computer do you guys have? Tell me in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.